A personal journey through postnatal depression. I never expected postnatal depression to happen to me. I'd read about it during pregnancy, but like most people, I thought it wouldn't be something I'd face. After all, having a baby was supposed to be one of the happiest times of my life. But when my baby arrived, the reality was so different from what I imagined. At first, I thought the overwhelming sadness I felt was just exhaustion or the baby blues. But it didn't go away. I couldn't shake this constant sense of emptiness, like I was disconnected from everything, even my baby. I felt like I was failing as a mother because I just didn't feel the instant bond I thought I was supposed to feel. It was terrifying. Every day felt like a struggle. I'd look at my baby and wonder why I wasn't happier. The guilt weighed on me. Everyone around me seemed to be so in love with their new babies, but I felt trapped, overwhelmed, and deeply sad. I started to withdraw from the people I loved, even my partner, because I didn't know how to explain what was happening inside me. I remember lying awake at night, exhausted but unable to sleep, with my mind racing through thoughts of whether I was a bad mother, whether my baby deserved better. It was isolating, and the more I struggled, the more I believed something was wrong with me. But I knew I couldn't keep going like that. I reached out for help, which wasn't easy, but it was the turning point. I started talking to my doctor, and I was diagnosed with postnatal depression. It was such a relief just to put a name to what I was feeling. It wasn't that I was a bad mother. I was struggling with something real. Therapy helped me understand what was going on. I learned to be kinder to myself, to stop expecting perfection. Medication also played a part in my recovery, and slowly, things started to change. A year later, I'm in a much better place. I feel more connected to my baby and to myself. I've learned that it's okay not to feel perfect all the time. Some days are still hard, but now I have the tools to cope. I no longer feel trapped in that overwhelming sadness. The bond I was so worried about with my baby, it's here now, and it's strong. I can enjoy motherhood in a way I couldn't before. Looking back, I wish I'd known that postnatal depression wasn't something to be ashamed of. It's more common than people think, and it's okay to ask for help. Reaching out for support doesn't make you weak. It makes you stronger. Recovery is going to happen. It happened for me. You can find joy again, even when it feels impossible. I'm so grateful that I reached out when I did. If you're struggling, please know that you're not alone, and it does get better.